My video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-up windows by the website Profilingerror.online. Profilingerror.online is a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Profilingerror.online tries to make you download some potentially unwanted applications, for instance, some junk browser extensions into Google Chrome. So you need to be very careful not to interact with these pop-ups and to stay away from downloading whatever they promote. Just leave this deceptive page, profilingerror.online. I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus application, and my recommendation is that you do that with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus can be found on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.